Hello, today I'm talking about this easy glow. They have different type of it, but today I'm talking about this one in particular. And also, if a dark skin person can use it, a sensitive skin person can use it, and also a beginner can use this cream. So please stay tuned before you buy it and listen. So today this easy glow, it's a very good lightening cream. It can whiten your body about 3 to 4 shades lighter, and this cream contains a glutathione, and also it contains alpha obutane, and it contains a glutathione, which is very good. This easy glow is a very strong whitening cream. They say that this easy glow is organic formula, but if you have used it, you will know that it's not organic formula. This easy glow is a very strong whitening body cream. If you're a sensitive skin person and you want to use this easy glow, you just have to be very careful. Do not add the tubes on it, or adding a different type of syrups and also different type of oils for you to activate it. This easy glow is already active. So, but if you really want to mix anything on it, you can add this easy glow serum on it a little bit. Don't add much, because you might add too much of it, you end up with a white patches, green vein, and skin discoloration, and also stretch mark. So you add a little bit on it, it will really go a long way. A sensitive skin person always have a soft skin, so anything they use always penetrates in their body, and it lightens their body so quickly. So that is why you have to be careful how you are using it. If you don't want to have about 3, 4, or 5 shades lighter, you minimize. You can add a little bit of this serum. And if you're a sensitive skin person, to avoid you not to have a white patches, add a little bit of a coconut oil on this cream to avoid white patches. A little bit, don't add too much, because too much can suppress the lightening effect and it might not work in your body. And if you avoid the stretch mark, try to add the anti-stretch mark like shenic oil or chemical can also help to prevent a stretch mark and a green vein. If you're a dark skin person, it's not advisable at the beginning to start with this cream, because you will end up with a skin discoloration and also a dark knuckle. But if you actually want to use it, I will advise you for you to use this cream, only this cream, without adding the syrup. But if how your body is going, then you're enjoying it and your body is clearing properly, then you want more shade, you can add the serum. And when you add this, you be careful, do not expose yourself to the sun, and also make sure you wear your sunscreen. This cream is very active. So that's all I have to say about this cream. So please do not forget to subscribe.